Contrary to the popular notion, Photoshop is not complicated. I repeat, Photoshop is not complicated. Hey everyone, welcome to day 12 of the Content Place 21-day brand content strategy. And today we'll be diving into the basics of Photoshop. This tutorial covers the essential tools and techniques if you need to start on your creative journey. You have to master the Photoshop. You must learn about the move tools. That's the V, that's the default shortcut on your keyboard. What we can do with the move tools is to move an object from one place to another. Then we have the lasso tools. It's a tool that allows you to freehand select. Next, we have the crop tool. Obviously, it's a crop tool. We crop things from a ratio to another ratio. Eyedropper tools. When you select a color and move it to a color palette, that's what we call an eyedropper tools. We have the selection tools. Is a selection tools that select an object. Then we have the ruler tools if you are trying to measure the distance between two objects. These tools are techniques from the foundation of what makes Photoshop such a powerful tool for digital artists and photographers. With practice, you'll be able to take a full advantage of Photoshop. So let's get started and become a Photoshop pro. Comment Photoshop in the comment section below for more tips on getting your Photoshop journey started.